Audio-visual. Module 2, Lesson 3. Introduction. Audio-visual aids comprises of three words: audio, visual, and audio-visual aids. Audio-visual aids plays an important role in making the teaching and learning process, formal or non-formal, more interesting, effective, and permanent. Audio-visual materials can help bringing the world into classroom. Audio-visual aids provide powerful force in the learning process. Definition of concepts. Audio-visual materials. A combination of both sight and sound to convey information. Audio refers to sounds reproduced by a computer or any other device able to play it. Video, electronic medium for recording, copying, and broadcasting of moving visual images. What is audiovisual? Audiovisual communication is a productive form of communication. It uses lighting equipment, improves communication by heightening the awareness of your audience's sight and hearing. It's easier for your audience to psychologically access and remember information once they have left the event. Audiovisual communication, often referred to as AV, covers a broad range of equipment that, when combined, provides the audience with multiple ways to enjoy a presentation. Visual communication denotes which can be seen at the time of providing message. These are the functions of audiovisual. Audiovisual materials aids help the teacher in providing proper environment for capturing and sustaining the attention and interest of the students in the classroom works. Audiovisual materials ensures the involvement in teaching and learning. Audiovisual materials are those things can be understood by observing visual aspects of anything. Audiovisual is electronic media possessing both a sound and a visual component, such as slide tape presentations, films, television programs, etc. These are the types of audiovisual material. First, film strips. The film strip is a form of still image instructional multimedia. Second, slides. A slide is a single page of a presentation. Collectively, a group of slides may be known as a slide deck. In the digital age, a slide most commonly refers to a single page developed using a presentation program. Third, microforms are scaled down reproductions of documents, typically either films or paper, made for the purpose of transmission, storage, reading, and printing. Fourth, projected opaque materials. The opaque projector, epidioscope, or episcope is a device which displays opaque materials by shining a bright lamp onto the object from above, because they must project the reflected light. Opaque projectors require brighter bulbs and larger lenses than overhead projectors. Fifth, tape recording and flashcards. Advantages of audiovisual. Gets the attention of the participants. Second, easy to follow. Third, participants feel more engaged. Fourth, easier to explain or put things in perspective. Fifth, easier to remember. Sixth, helps keep mistakes at a minimum. These are the disadvantages of audiovisual. First, it's easier to lose focus. Second, requires a well-designed presentation or material. Third, participants might pay more attention to the graphics than the audio. Fourth, an audiovisual system is expensive. Uses of audiovisual materials stimulates interest and emphasize. Second, promote efficiency. Third, clarify subject matter topics. Three steps in producing audiovisual. Planning, the most critical aspects of producing. Planning is essentially focused on the future, and there are certain events which are expected to affect the policy formation. Production. The shooting or recording stage is what the most people consider the production phase of an audio or video. Production is the process of making, harvesting, or creating something that are the amount of something that was made or harvested. Example of this is the creation of the furniture. Publishing is the final part of producing audio or video for educational purposes and is often referred to as post-production. An example of publishing is creating copies of books for a mass audience. The business of preparation, of editing, producing, and marketing books, newspapers, magazines, printed music, and now also audiobook software.